Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by enabling the phone's NFC and preparing the physical setup. First, open Settings and turn NFC on. You need that radio active. Next, make sure your phone has enough battery and is unlocked so apps can read tags immediately. Remove thick or metal cases so the antenna has a clear path. Finally, place the NFC tag or device near the center back of the phone and hold steady. Don't swipe or pull away yet, because the initial handshake happens in one steady contact. Once the phone and tag are aligned, open the specific app or system screen you plan to use. You must have it in the foreground so the phone routes data correctly. Then hold the phone 0 to 2 centimeters from the tag or device and keep it still. You'll usually feel a vibration or hear a sound that confirms a connection. When prompts appear, allow necessary permissions. This is why you open the app first. If data transfer begins, follow any on-screen steps to complete the exchange. To finish, wait for the app or system confirmation and any success tone before you pull away. That ensures the full data exchange completed. If you need to write data to a tag, enter the final save or confirm action now. If things go wrong, first reposition the antenna area and try again. Removing the case often fixes problems. If it still fails, reboot the phone and test another tag or phone to determine whether the issue is hardware or software. Then proceed with the appropriate fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.